Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning. So in today's video, I do a Sephora haul. Sephora haul from all the things that I just bought from this weekend's VIB sale. So exciting, it's like Christmas morning in November. So I do a first impressions with all the things that I bought and show you how to get this look. I'm calling this like my ice queen look because there's now snow on the ground. My eyes are blue and it just gives me an icy, you know, an icy vibe. If you want to see how I get this look and see all the things I just bought from Sephora and see how I liked all those things, then just keep watching this video. What's up everybody? It's your girl Chelsea. I get made fun of a lot when I say that. Today it is a beautiful, snowy, sunny day in the capital. Should I go into news reporting? Y'all don't give a fuck about the weather in the capital today. Ew, my laugh is so disturbingly ugly. Okay. One of the many 5 ugly laughs that I have. Wow, why am I so sweaty? Oh, I know why I'm so sweaty. Because I'm a sweaty person. We've already covered this. Ew. Anyways. Okay, so let's get started. Will this be my thumbnail maybe? Actually no, I should do this when I'm like fully makeup. Like what am I thinking? Okay. Yeah, here, look at my full look. Here's my thumbnail. Just a Sephora box of me without any makeup. That'll do it. Okay, anyways guys, I got a bunch of shit. So I've already washed my face and I've already put my moisturizers on and my oils, but I saved my new eye cream that I just bought. So let's put it on. I got the Henriksen, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. So it says Vitamin C and Collagen Boosted Brightening Eye Cream. Brightens and hydrates, age-defying, oh, that's the French, never mind. This is like one of the most things I'm excited for because I don't have a good eye cream and I just know how important it is to be using eye cream. Like, I'm only 23, but a girl does not want wrinkles. So anyways, let's just use it. Enough talk. Smells so good. It smells like oranges, so you can tell that there's some vitamin C in there. I like it. It smells amazing. It looks brightening, like in my mirror. Like I can see the brightening reflex on it. It feels really nice on the skin. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Primer. My first Fenty Beauty purchase. I know everybody out there has already been on this bandwagon for like a year. This is not a new review, but you know what? Welcome to my channel. This is my opinion, okay? Gorgeous, love the packaging, love the glass, love the nude. I smell everything, oh my god. Does anybody else do that? Like, just pick up anything that you're dealing with and you just like smell it, like just to be sure? Yeah. And then I also got the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Y'all, I'm telling you, it was like Christmas morning for me yesterday. So I got the shade 180. Like I said, I ordered all of this stuff online, so I don't know if any of these colors are really going to be a match, but one can only hope. I mean, I'm white as a ghost, so this is probably going to be too dark, realistically. Like, need my foundation brush. All right. Ow! Oh, ow. I have no idea what just happened, but I went to turn my head and my head was like, nope, not turning this way. Woo! That was an uncomfortable feeling. Okay, anyways. See, like, I'm too much, okay. My thoughts so far are I really like the way it looks. It definitely looks very soft and smooth. It's definitely a little dry on my skin because my skin is just dry right now. But I find that having my beauty blender very damp really helped me apply it better onto my skin. So yeah, I'm not complaining. Love it. Let's move on. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I think I'm going to do them off of camera because again, like, my eyebrows routine is literally the exact same. Now that I look funny as hell with these eyebrows on and nothing else, let's continue the face. I got the new TooFaced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, but I have a feeling that I got it in the shade that my foundation shade should be. It's not, I don't think it's light enough, but I want to try it anyways. Obviously, I got to test it out. I got it in the shade Vanilla. I love this because, like, it comes in such a big bottle for a concealer. Like, this compared to, like, MAC, like, Pro Longwear Concealer. Like, it's just not your typical concealer size. And it's because it's supposed to be, like, multi-use. You can use it for many different things more than just concealer. So, big doe foot applicator. So I just got a refill of my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I got the shade Lucid, which is the lightest shade in the palette. I love the Kat Von D powders. Like, I just need to go on the record and tell you how much I love the Shade and Light palette. These powders, like especially the brightening powders, are just so filtered. Like, when you put them on your skin, your face looks like it has a filter on it. Like, it's the softest, smoothest powder. You don't even need to buy the palette. You can just buy the refills. Like, they come in a way that you can store it. You know what I mean? So anyways, let's go set my eye. So I'm just taking a little brush, flat brush, dabbing it in the powder, and let's put down eyeshadow. So for today's look, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Masterclass palette. I'm going to be doing a blue look. Okay, so I'm just going to take the light blue color at the top called Sky and put that up in my crease and my inner corner. Not my crease, my brow bone and my inner corner. So taking a kind of a pointy, densely packed brush, taking the second blue from the top, I'm just going to place this all over my lid. So the more you pack on, the more color payoff you will get. Grease lightning. Okay, so using the exact same brush, I'm just picking up the third blue in that column and putting it on my lid as well. So now I'm just going to take this little small pointy brush, and I'm going to use the darkest shade of blue in the palette and smudge that on my lower lash line. And now I'm just taking the second darkest blue from before and using it to blend out that smoky line. So now that the blue eyeshadow is down, let's throw on a little bit of eyeliner. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner, using the brush that it came with. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off of camera. So I took the liberty to also apply lashes while I was doing that. So now I'm just gonna continue with the rest of my face. I'm gonna try the TooFaced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and if it is too dark for me, then I'll just put a lighter concealer on top of it, but I wanna test this out. Okay, so one thing I can definitely say is it blends out like a dream. I could be like one shade lighter probably. But you know what, I'm not too worried about it because with the new powders I bought, I think it'll be fine. I'm just gonna set that with my Kat Von D powder. You know what else I got? Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Oh. Okay. I got the shade Cupcake. Shall we contour? Going on with the middle shade. taking my fluffy brush and contouring my nose. And now just taking like an actual bronzer that I have. This is my Big Bold Bronzing Powder by NYC, I think. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna bake my under eye now using my Huda Beauty powder. I'm gonna re-wet my beauty blender. It comes in this packaging. It's got this net to catch all of the powder. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. Like a designer high-end perfume. like juicy couture perfume is what this kind of smells like. I'm here for it. Oh, wow, okay. Let's bake our face. So I dipped it in, and then I'm just gonna put the excess on the back of my hand so we don't have too much on our face. It goes on beautifully. So I don't know how long I'm gonna leave this on, just a couple minutes, let it sink into my face, and then I'll dust it off. I'm gonna take the bronzer from my TooFaced Sweet Peach palette and also dust that on top. And I'm going to take the blush from my Sweet Peach palette as well. Let's do the under eye with the blues again. So I'm going to take Steel, put that underneath, and then I'm going to take Cerulean, don't know how to pronounce that, but then I'm going to take the color Cerulean and put that on top. And Cue Sexy Face. I'm just gonna throw some mascara on my bottom lashes using my Lash Paradise. Oh, and by the way, the fake lashes that I'm wearing are iconic by House of Lashes. I'm going to take Champagne Pop and use it to highlight underneath my brow and in the corners of my eyes and the rest of my face. Okay, now it's time to spray our face using my MAC Fix Plus. I am going to finish my hair. This is au naturel. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. I have changed. So I've owned this shirt for about 2 months now. Haven't worn it yet, but I was like, you know what? This is really going with the blue eyes kind of look. You know what? This can be like a New Year's look, a Christmas look, or whatever kind of look you want it to be look. But we still have our lips to do. And that also brings me to the final product that I bought in my Sephora haul. The new Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Lip Gloss. I put this on my lips last night when I got my package, and bitch, I was shook. I was shooketh. I think I want to use my MAC Whirl. It's something that's just speaking to me. My intuition is just telling me to use the MAC Whirl. So I've basically filled in my lips with my lip liner, and now I'm just gonna go in on top with the Diamond Milk, baby. Oh, this stuff smells like the best cocktail you'll ever have in your life. I'm sorry, but it's like literally the best lip gloss I've ever used in my entire life. Okay, here is my makeup super zoomed in. Okay, I'm way too extra. I apologize. Alright, well, I guess this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I had a lot of fun filming today's video, and I was so excited to film with all of my new products. So hopefully maybe I gave you some ideas for Christmas. Overall review, I really do like the Fenty foundation, but I will say it definitely is dry for my skin because I have really dry skin right now. It's winter in Canada, so it's definitely dry. And again, that being said, I'm still happy with the look. I think it still looks great on my skin. I'm going to continue wearing this foundation. I really do like it. So it's just a matter of working with my dry skin, making sure that I do moisturize, put my eye cream down, use my oils, so that I don't have any dry patches on my skin, so I can truly wear this foundation at its best. So yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.